Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video on how to change the iPhone name. Changing the iPhone name on your device is very quick and simple to do. First, let's start here at the home screen and tap on Settings. If your Settings icon is not located on your home screen, scroll over and type in Settings in your search bar. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on About, and at the top of the screen, you can click on Name. And here is where you can change the name of your iPhone. Once you've selected the perfect name for your new iPhone, click on Done in the bottom right corner. Before you go, in the description box below, I provided a list of Amazon products that I personally recommend and use every day. Keep in mind, if you use any of these links to make a purchase, I do receive a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do decide to click on any of these links provided, it is very much appreciated. If you're not interested in any of these Amazon products, but you would still like to support the channel, you can always donate with the Super Thanks button located here. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.